Guys, what's up, everybody? Obsidian, FOTL, pick your team, number 8. We got a serial filler. There's the serial. Please remember that. I'll show it on the live after this. We ran it right before we went into video. Good luck. Good luck. We like all of it. Ooh, right on the top. Ooh, hello. Peanuts. Don't want to make a mess with packing peanuts. Good luck. Obsidian, first off the line, 6 boxers. Let's do it. Guys, guess the first, I don't know. Guess the first, I don't know. Guess the first number to 10 or better. We'll do it for 25. Guess the first number to 10 or better. It can be an auto, it can be a non-auto, it can be a contra, it can be a red, it can be a 1 of 1. Doesn't matter. Now, we did a contra the last one, yes sir, and we didn't have a contra. So I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to do that to us again. Guess the first number to 10 or better. It can be gold to 10, it can be red to 5, it can be contra to 3, it can be 1 of 1. And anything in between that I can't remember. Everybody take a guess. Everybody should be guessing. We're doing it for 25. In Blez Bucks credit. Good luck. Thank you for the fill, guys. Again tomorrow. What's up, dirty dude? Dirty. Guys, don't forget tomorrow. Who's this JP Mango guy? What's up, Tyler Austin? You got the thunder on this one? No, FOTL is the full case is a 6 boxer. FOTL. What's up, Big Meech? Big Meech special. Oh, look at me. I was going to open up all the packs. I was literally going to open up everything. All right, good luck. Good luck. Warriors, Nets, Magic, and Jazz for the serial. Good luck. We start with an M hard. I like the color we're seeing. Kyrie and Jabari for the Rockets. Our first auto. Can we see a team? Oh, it's a Contra RPA. For the Thunder, and it doesn't go to my homie, Tyler Austin. It goes to Sabaidi. That's disgusting. How about a laundry tag Contra RPA of Ousmane Dieng? That's disgusting for Sabaidi. That's really sick. That's really sick. It does. It's actually the guess, Tyler Austin. It is absolutely the guess. That is the first number to 10 or better. There's the fat lever. Tyler Austin got it for 25. Nice. Jalen Green. And a tie behind that. Nice. Nice. That was a nice first box. Good way to start that. But see, that's a Tyler Austin PC piece. Tyler Austin likes those. Hey. Oh, damn it. I put my regulars on top of my 55s. Shame on me. That was all me on that one. Let's go. Nice first box to start. We'll take those. Sabaidi, nice to meet you, Sabaidi. I'm the Hammer. If you are out there. I don't think I've met Sabaidi before. We like new names in the industry. We like new names. Should probably get a picture of that, huh? Quick picture, quick picture. Nice. All right, box 2. Good luck. Yeah, it does. It does sound tight. Yeah, it does. I said Sabaidi. Is that another Contra? Ooh. Ooh, what are we getting? Multiple Contras? One of my favorite games on the Nintendo Entertainment System, Contra. Good luck. Dalen Terry. Herb Jones for the Pelicans. And the Celtics with the Brogdon. We got a dual patch RPA coming. It's another. Oh, is this a Contra hot case? Is this a Contra hot case? Please. Be a monster. Oh, that's disgusting. Jaden Ivey laundry tag dual patch RPA. Another one. And we have another Contra, by the way. We have another one. Oh, that New Jones 4-2 Affection. What are you doing here? What's up, Affection? I gotta mod you up on this side. Wow. Wow. This is crazy. Guys, we might have a Contra hot case because we have another Contra at the end of this. We have another Contra after this. Wow. 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 Hammer doesn't know how to take pictures. All right, that looks good. All right, that looks good. Wow. This is a case. Guys, we have another Contra at the end. Unless it's something else that's juking me out. Pretty sure we have yet another Contra. Wow. Drew Eubanks. Blazers. The Joker, the 99 on the purple etch. No, I'll mod you up in a second. Contra. Come on, be a big rookie. Be big for us. It's for the Heat. 2019-20 rookie for the Heat. Some call him the Bubble Boy. That's Tyler Hero for Andrew Wiley on a Contra. So that's 3 Contras in 2 boxes. Wow. The last two or three cases I haven't hit a Contra. So this is the dollar cost average for Hammer. This is where his dollar cost in a good way. In a good way. Nice Hero for the Heat. Obviously, I wanted that to be a big rookie, but we ain't complaining. All right, give us more Contras. We want more Contras. Box 3. Lou said to spit at that card. Can we see another one, please? Give us another one. Just do it. RJ for the Knicks. Bulls with the IO. Clippers with the Norman Powell. KJB is... Oh, no. Yeah, Dirty Dude. Sorry, Dirty Dude. Dual RPA. Can we see it again? No, but it's the 16. It is the blue etch. Or I don't know the actual call for it. 1 of 16. Just do me a favor and don't beat EJ Liddell. Of course. Of course. It is Jake the Snake LaRavia for the Grizzlies and Andrew Wiley. GPC knows how, he says. Nice hit, Wiley. D'Anthony Melton. Oh, that's so sick. Orange, lightning strike of D'Anthony Melton for the Sixers. But how about a Giannis green etch tunnel vision? That looks disgusting in person. That's a sick-looking Giannis. And our blue flood is Devin Vassell. Can we have a few more Contras, please? Like, pretty, please? Nice hit for the Milwaukee Bucks, too. Brought out EY. EY is on the board. Nice hit, EY. 9 of 25. 9 of 25 on the Giannis. All right, halfway point. Probably one of the better cases I've opened. Let's see, one more Contra. Come on, one more. One more Contra. Hell, give us a 1 of 1. I'll take that too. Christian Brown for the Nuggets. Cavaliers with the Evan Mobley. Cavaliers. The Knicks with the Patrick Ewing. For J-Lam, always misses. We got a red auto. To 27, it is the Dirty Dude's Dirty Dude. That's a blue flood of Musa Diabate. 2-color RPA blue flood for the Dirty Dirty. Case hit coming. Strauss. And for the 76ers and Croy. How about a Volcanics case hit of Joel Embiid? No, I didn't hit Diabate ever. And there's the big ticket, Kevin Garnett. On the blue flood for the Timberwolves and Heels. What's up, Dillman? Hee, my back hurts. Wait, what are you doing up so late? What are you doing up so... Oh, wait, no, I know what you're doing. You're playing Huff and Puff, aren't you? That guy's at the casino right now, ladies and gentlemen. He's at Rivers Casino. I can't step foot in Rivers. That is where I took the dirtiest of the dirty lickings ever. I can never step foot into Rivers again. Dead serious. I just can't. I got the worst lickings in slot play of my life. It was the dumbest decision I've ever done in my life. Don't want to relive that. Absolutely don't want to relive that. Absolutely not. 2 left. Yeah, you know. Of course they're all at the casino. Is that another Contra? Or is that Equinox? That could be another Contra. Or an Equinox. Ty Rockets. The Nets with Finna Smith goes to the serial. Last number on the card, it goes to the 7 serial. Card 77, it goes to the 7. Spot 7, Heat Lover. Mark did not miss. Mark did not miss, although he probably would have wished that he did. Jabari. Mobamba to 75, and that's a sick Devin Booker Equinox, by the way. Suns getting some love, and Taylor. And our blue flood. Robert Williams on the blue flood. Celtics. Yeah, I want to see that box battle video too. They're probably saving it till tomorrow. They're probably doing like the big editing. Probably got Erica Jones on it. We got a redemption here. Good luck. I don't know if we want to see redemption. It's going to be a Nemhard again. Just flip it. Let's just flip it. It's Dalen Terry, Electric Etch to 16. Dalen Terry for the Bulls. Will the Thrill. He got that for like $10 or $20. Will the Thrill. Nice hit, Will the Thrill. He said he was just going to take a shot in the dark. And he got rewarded. He absolutely got rewarded. Will the Thrill. On the Dalen Terry to 16 RPA. Not bad for $20 or whatever the cost of them was. $20, $30, $20, whatever. Last box mojo. We need another Contra. Come on, I want this to be a phenomenal case. I need phenomenal. I need 1 of 1. Paul Gasol. KD for the Suns. And our last hit. Base of Isaiah Mobley. We have another redemption. I don't know if I like that or not. Rod Strickland, the 149. Ooh. Wizards. There's a Benedict for Akiu. Tunnel Vision. I think those are the 99. To 75 on a Benedict. To 75. And our last hit. Is John Collins for the Hawks? Chen got the Hawks on that one with the John Collins. All right, Chronicles is next. Let's see this last redemption. Good luck. That's Jalen Williams, Electric Etch, Blue Flood RPA for Sabaidi. Nice hit, Sabaidi. Wow. Rookie Jersey Ink, Electric Etch, Blue Flood. Oh, I'm sorry. That's the 27. I'm sorry. That's a sick hit. That's the right Jalen Williams for the Thunder. Sabaidi. Nice hit. Sabaidi. Nice hit. All right. I'll take a quick picture of that. I'm probably going to beat the sort that with it. All right. Recap. Solid case. Hey, good seeing you, Ryan B. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Black as well as for UFC, guys. Recap. One of the nicer cases. I don't think I've seen a case with two laundry tags in there. Obviously, you guys tell me. I've never seen it is all I'm saying. Hero on the Contra. Dalen Terry, Mobamba, Strauss, LaRavia on a dual patch auto. Milton, Eubanks, the Fat Lever, Musa. Dieng on a laundry tag. I'll beat the sort that for Sabaidi. Along with his redemption, or his or her, I'm assuming, Jalen Williams. And that Jaden Ivey is absolutely going to beat the crap out of the sort for New Jones 42.85. That is the break. Let's go to Chronicles. I got to write this out real quick, though.